Hello everyone. So today I'd like to show you how you can search hotspot using Helium. Actually search Helium Hotspot using Helium APIs. So we'd first see what I have created. So if you search here, and you can see that once you search Stripe, you can see a lot of related information is coming to the search API of the Helium, and this result set has name, address, latitude and longitude, country, state, city. There are other aspect also, there are other things also on this API that is returning, but I have chosen to show these 4 or 5 fields that are very much essential to show. I have done this using very simple JavaScript. You can do it with whatever language. It can be NPM, it can be Angular, it can be on the React, anything you liked. It can be on the Python, PHP, whatever site. So let us see how I have created it. So as you can see that on the very top I have this input type box that is over here. That is actually what I am typing. Once I have an event handler over here on key up. Once I on key up, I have put a function over here that takes my value, and I have a table at the very bottom of it. Very simple structure to understand, nothing complicated. I have simplified each and everything so as much as I can. So now the Helium search API does not or do not do the search until it is 3 characters long. So I am putting here a validation until your text is 3 character long. It's greater than 3, you cannot do the search. Okay. So in the search URL, this is the search URL, and this is a get URL. So you can do it directly on the browser if you want. The search term is going directly concatenating it. I have put the mode of cross because without the cross you cannot do this. In the fetch API it will throw an error using the Google Chrome or any other modern browsers. So I have taken a HTML table text variable, and for this line I was just emptying out before I can move into the search, and after doing this, doing the looping through the system, I'm again adding this into the inner HTML. So there are some properties on this. Suppose this is the name, item.name, item.address, and this is very simple for each loop that is going through the item.address, latitude, longitude, geolocation, country, state, city. So this is how I have done this. In my future videos I will be modifying it or making it into the more larger scale, putting this latitude and longitude with the mapping things on the real-time map system. So this is a very simple search that is also in the Helium blockchain website. If you go, Helium network, if you go to the resources or in the hotspot section, Helium Explorer, exactly on the Helium Explorer, this is the search which is actually originating from here. We can modify the search with the city states. I have done the search with the hotspot only, so you can see this search, and in the future, in my future video I will be modifying this search to a modern aspect also. So this is a very simple search with the modern things, that is the Helium API with the blockchain API. So you can search your hotspot from this small is using the Helium API with the small code. I hope you have liked it. Thank you so much for watching.